Hello and thanks for watching Marjana's Kitchen. Today we'll be showing you how to make vegan baked roast potatoes with mozzarella meatballs with a spicy herbie tomato sauce. Ingredients: 3 potatoes, some oil, black pepper, vegan mozzarella, some herbie tomato sauce, a large baking tray, some cupcake holders, and some beetroot vegan meatballs. Begin slicing the potatoes vertically, not too thick and not too thin. Pop the potatoes in some boiling water and let them cook for about 5 minutes. Pour some oil into a hot pan and let it heat up. Add the vegan beetroot meatballs one at a time, carefully into the hot oil, and let them cook until the edges have crisped up slightly. Once the potatoes have cooked and cooled down, lay them flat onto a chopping board in a layer of 3. Add your vegan mozzarella cheese and start carefully rolling. Once you've rolled up your potato roast, secure it with a toothpick. Pop it into a cupcake case, then into the baking tray. Tease it open a tiny bit. Add the spicy herbie tomato sauce. Add the meatball. You can add any filling you like. And top with vegan mozzarella cheddar. You can use ordinary cheese. Add an extra finishing touch of cheese on top of all the potatoes. Some crushed pepper. Preheat an oven at 220 degrees. Pop them into a top middle shelf of the oven and cook for about 35 minutes. Once they are cooked, let them cool down or serve immediately. These can be enjoyed as a side dish or as a main. Enjoy making these. Thanks for watching.